The psychology behind type choices. Each font type that you use in your design evokes different emotions, such as in serif fonts, tradition, respectable, reliable, and comfort. You usually see serif fonts in books, formal documents, newspaper, etc. Sans serif fonts for stability, objective, clean, and modern look. It's used in modern, minimal design, tech website designs. Script fonts are used for showing elegance, affection, and creativity, usually seen in invitation card artistic logos designed with personal touch. Display fonts for friendly, unique, expressive, and amusing, used in headings, advertisements, designs with high contrast visuals. So choose your fonts wisely.